Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change DPI settings in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to change your DPI settings, so let's see how you can do that. So you have two different ways. The very first way and most recommended way is to go to your settings, go to display, and here just scroll down. You must see screen zoom option. So basically in your Samsung phone you have a feature like screen zoom which works like DPI setting. So this is most recommended by me. You can easily change your phone size or your DPI settings from here. Its minimum value is the average or default or normal value, and here's the maximum value of your DPI setting you can choose for you. Or the second way is to change your DPI setting is to go ahead to your developer options. Go to setting, just scroll down, look for about phone, click on it, and here click on software information. Here you might see build number. You have to tap on it almost multiple tab like 7 tabs on it until you see a pop-up message that your developer mode developer mode has been enabled. So I'm gonna tapping on it. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can see that allow development setting. I'm gonna click on OK. Developer mode has been enabled. Now go back and here go to main settings. In main settings sometimes you might see this developer option here, or sometimes you might see it in general management or system management. But in my case I have the option here. Click on developer options. Now just scroll down and just look for drawing sections. So here are different sections, like this is networking section. So I'm gonna looking for drawing section here. This is the drawing section, and here's the minimum width. So this is your DPI settings. You can maximize or minimize DPI settings from here. Just enter your value of your DPI and your DPI will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your DPI settings on your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.